Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine. Children, till now we have completed the syllabus for half-yearly exam. In that, we completed our first chapter, representation of geographical features. Then population dynamics, lesson number 2. Lesson number 3, migration. Then lesson number 4, urbanization, causes and effects. And sixth chapter, Asia, land, climate and natural vegetation. Children, we had completed our syllabus and I have shared my email ID with you. Few students had already sent their assignment to me, but some of you had requested me to help you to do the question answers of each chapters, because many of you faced problem to get the correct question answers of each lessons. So we will start this with lesson number 1, representation of geographical features. And in that, we will not only see the question answers but also the important things which are given in the book. So inside question will also be completed at the same time. So children, here you can see the answers I have written. Of question number A and B. Then question number C. Here you have to mark the wrong statement and you need to correct them. So here, children, in the first, the contour lines are shown on a geographical map by black lines. You have to cut the black word and instead of it you need to write brown lines. Next is a ridge is representation of on the map by elliptical contours that are widely spaced. Here you need to underline widely. Instead of widely you need to write closely. Question number 3, a mountain pass that has been lowered in height by the action of river is called a gap. This is correct. Then a saddle is a narrow passage in a mountain range. So you have to underline or cut this narrow. Instead of narrow, you need to write broad. Let us move to question number D. D first. Its answer is on page number 1. You need to write the Survey of India is the organization responsible for the publishing of topographical maps and sheets in India. Question number 2. Define the term contour interval. Again, please turn the page number 1. And here, the contour interval is given under the topic use of contours on topographical sheet. Here I have written D2. The difference in height between two adjacent contour lines is called the contour interval. This interval remains the same throughout the map, depends on the scale as well as the minimum and maximum heights in the area shown in the map. So up to here you need to write about contour interval. Now question number 3. How is a conical hill represented on a topographical sheet? Its answer is on page number 2. Here its answer is given. A conical hill with uniform slope on all the sides. The contour lines are drawn in a concentric manner. They are evenly spaced and the value increases towards the center. What is the difference between coal and a saddle? Its answer is given on page number 3. Children, here you can see in the last paragraph, if the depression is narrow and steep-sided, it is called a col. A broad and low depression that gently descends from the summit of a ridge is called saddle. Children, here next question is, what do you understand by interpretation of topographical sheet? Its answer is on page number 8, last point is full. You need to write this answer. Now let us move to question number E. Answer these questions in 50 to 60 words. What is a plateau? So first part is given here. Instead of starting with it, you will write plateau is a large mass of comparatively flat land that rises abruptly from the surrounding areas. Then next part of the same question is, how it is it represented on a topographical sheet? Its surface is undulating and it usually has a steep slope on one or more sides. Up to here will be the first part, and second part starts from, you may change the paragraph. In a plateau, the contour lines are drawn in an elongated manner with the value increasing on the inner side. They are close to each other on the side that is steep and widely spaced on the side that is gentle. And here children, you need to make this figure, and under it you will write contours of a plateau. Same way, same figure you will make. Let us see this question number E, second. Define the term settlements. State the factors that govern the development of settlement. Its answer is on page number 4. The first part answer is, a settlement is a place where people construct their houses and their necessary facilities and interact with their environment as well as with each other. It can range from a small cluster of huts to a big metropolitan cities. Now factors which affect, here its answer is, the factors which govern the development of settlement. Then here you will put dash and in numbers you will write. First number, favorable climate. Second number, availability of land and water. Third number, fertility of soil. Fourth number, accessibility. Fifth number, presence of minerals. And last, industries. So here your E2 answers are completed. In next video we will do question number F and G.